Hi guys, I'm gonna tell you a story about a unicorn ballerina. We are so excited to go to the ballet school.
Let's get in! Okay, student, dress up and I want to see if all of you are good in being a ballerina. What's wrong with you, Eunice?
I don't like this ballet costume. I want a new one.
Why the three of you not listening to me?
Oh no! What should we do, guys?
Focus and practice more. The competition is near.
We love you, Isabella. You are a good ballerina.
Congratulations, Ibella. You are a good ballerina.
Thank you, teacher. I will do my best as always. Thank you guys for listening to my story. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.